single day. That's my way. Every single day.
Okay guys, that's okay. So I don't get to know me because one maybe out here so tea was to Namuta and I so I'm gonna see my eyebrows no brush and I my eyebrows and then go look at us things I get away you know eyebrows on flicker kana and you're not going to be yeah. Anyway, Sheta, get to know me questions. So the first one is, where did you grow up? Where did you grow up?
Purchase your tracks today.
Okay, I just needed to grammar, but anyway. So I ended up in Zimbabwe, but 3 years of my life, so 3 years, and I got to South Africa. Yeah, but my shinji makore. And the girl Zimbabwe account of that children later. Mantiri, no. I think yes. So Mantiri, so where do you currently live? So I currently live in New Zealand. Then who is your first best friend?
Purchase your tracks.
I remember that this is the 100 Shamarion, but I think it's best day. When you get base grade 2 or 3, grade 3 I think and in Shamari foot, but I just think it's best day. Then grade 4 and Jack South Africa. The other Shamari in Zimbabwe. How can I sweet? Yeah, I remember Bali. Yeah, I think it's that's really a bullet with the best friend and she has to see. When I said I also labeled out the best friend is until grade 6 until primary. And it's nice, but it's to my grade 6 without. So I don't get my relationship with Sharon Timio. Can I should a best friend you from a mural later? I so tender. Can I please be your best friend? Then can I also have that best friend you work once I'm your after later. It's over. I'm going to try to fake it. But those ones are really. Then he questioned, how tall are you? So I'm going to matter saying. So I'm 1.7 centimeters long. So no 170 centimeters long. Then per meter I'm 1.7 meters long. Yes. Do you have dogs or kids? No. That make my dogs, my kids, and funniest moment toward high school. High school, especially Form 1, Form 4, was my favorite. Taketa was like one. It was just fun, yeah. And I'm going to Kankama, but high school generally was empty. High school was fun, but Form 1, Form 2, Form 3, Form 4, Form 5. Form 5 and 6. Takara Skaranisha was on pigeons, so I knew Sarandi affected them, but still, so in like kids at Chirupang, which were going until Form 5 and Form 6. Then, are you in college? Have you gone to college? So, college, you know, mirrors are one. I went to college, it's high school. I went to college, it's you go to learn on track course, maybe one course, but when it's in next in college. Then one college it might be university. So this is it. But anyway, that is high school and right now dark university. Yes, manche. Nijeta video yangu futhi. University. Chinto shwamsa se university. Jaita manje. What's your favorite drink? Sandofara Coke. Coke is my favorite drink, but do I need to double chin saga dada kulimita Coke and cheddars of Coke. Saga for maybe the Gamako zero shenanti battery by a dance Coke syrup and also battery. Chimboy Coke. Saka mazuva ndada kulimita koko. Ndada kuti my favorite drink iwe water, iwe mvura. What is your spirit animal and why? I'm also spirit animal, but I spirit animal. I do gym comment section to show and antinango. Then my questions in Drupa Nindikin. Drupa jump because I need essence. Hence, what perfume are you wearing and how does it smell? Drupa jump in. Then you watch you to tea or coffee. I prefer coffee. The tea, and chatting ones where she goes tea and Amazon further coffee. What are your life goals? Of course, to be successful. No, my life goals evaluation. What sports do you play or have you played? So this is cool. They say as a tamba must was the professional but they go in those about one day, then the other week I don't go, the other week I do go. Second company that Ian Ponant keeper. But here put in the kind of so serious in like wasn't to championship was not keeper. They didn't have to basketball. They go on for drama, but balls are what I got. Then after that I turn netball, national to keeper foot. We are over. You go for a moon to just go with say I'm just retiring inside netball. Then have any books you read change your life? But I've read some awesome books. It's The Sunrise Again. That's a Zimbabwean author who wrote that book. That's book and that was the first book I'd ever read. No, it wasn't the first one. But that book, and I also read and I also reading and it was good. Some of us go The Sunrise Again. I read the cool Zimbabwean literature. I think I got it after book The Sunrise Again. It was just good. Then I remember I chose food and soapy, like Gaza was a soapy and I got a fire and I reading about book around and fire and yeah. But I don't affect my life. It didn't change my life exactly, but it gave me like an awareness of something. You already soapy. Give me an awareness of something. So yeah. What is your favorite movie? Oh, no one so decided. What about one and a farira? Then do you speak any languages and how well? Yes, I speak Shona and very well. You know also Shona, but I think in total normal. No more. I think this is the standard Shona. Was a time and Tara Shona Chai. This is how who are your favorite YouTubers? Yes, in the Farah Nakawanda cannot mas Zimbabwean the Farah Jinashi. And I subscribe to Nemang my Zimbabwean tea, Rasiana, and I come on Mazita, but I never was the Jinashi. Yes, and Wongai Mapo, I think she's based in South Africa, but in Zimbabwe.
Purchase your tracks today.
Then among my countries, the father my comments and Namak Angel, Yawas Kids, Sabalo. Yes, no my channels and we are so far. Then what? How would you describe your fashion sense? In the months I can imagine and I chainas and get but maybe it's just not so chain but imagination one draw chainas and get. What is your go-to hairstyle? Right now, I'm doing short years and how many siblings do you have? I have 2 siblings. The other one is 13 and the other one is 11. So are your morning evening routines? Only no one muka kwenda chukua not my evenings don't do basi. Tell us one thing about you that we need to know, that we would know. Anything about me that you guys would want to know is that and I'm a very kind person. Yeah, I'm a very kind person as the end of this video. I hope you tip a video pandiri saka ngoti like, share and subscribe kana muchifara mavideo yasai ne amadzangu dziyamunongokomenta yes anobva Zimbabwe bari mu New Zealand yes nongokomenta mukatu. Anyways, this is the end of this video, so anyway, bye. Bye guys.